Cubase vocoder is back, and it sounds very good for being software. As you can see, I have a compressor on the output of the vocoder. I also have a compressor gate EQ on the incoming signal. Let's take a look at what you get when you adjust the equalization of the human voice on the way into the equalizer that is set on the input channel. There's a lot of different tonal variations you can get and sculpt for maximum intelligibility. It's kind of hard to do it all at once, but just for a quick demonstration to show you also how many bands you have selected is going to change the sound. It's going to change the sound. It's going to change the sound of how the vocoder resonates. So let's take a listen.